A friend told me that he wanted to open a beauty salon this year and asked me to recommend some suitable beauty machines. Today I will take you to our showroom to choose a few. Let's go. Beauty machines must be chosen according to your own needs. For example, if my friend wants to focus on weight loss programs, then this cryoskin machine is highly recommended. For handle design, to round handles, to square handles. Cryo plus thermal plus ends, 3 technologies of cold and hot fusion, 33% better than simple freezing for weight loss. Other machines, such as IPL and DYAP, are selected according to your salon needs. If you want to focus on laser hair removal business, then this diode laser hair removal machine is definitely worth buying. Dual handle design, handle with color touchscreen. Treatment parameters can be adjusted directly. It uses the USA laser and can emit light 100 million times, using Japanese compressor plus large heat sink for cooling. It can cool down by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius in 1 minute. It can provide customers with a truly painless hair removal experience. So this machine has also become the king of customer traffic. What other beauty machines do you want to know about? Leave a message in the comment area, and we will continue to recommend it to you in the next issue.
Candle Moonlight